I'm not involved with the politics, and I don't like politics. I don't like any of these politicians in the Philippines. I don't trust any of them, none of them. As I said, I didn't even vote, not even once, because in my early age, I seen all this corrupt politician. That's how I hated them. It's like any politician, even how good you are, even how good you are, and you join with this other corrupted politician. They call it like bad apple.